Let me start with what I think is the most important question you should be asking yourself before spending this kind of money on a robot vacuum. That question is simply this: what matters most to you? Because each of these robots has a very clear identity, and once you understand that, the decision gets a whole lot easier. So let's talk about the Narwal Flow first, the original one. This was genuinely a game changer when it launched. And the big thing Narwal brought to the table with the Flow was what they call the Flow Wash Mopping System. And look, I have tested a lot of robots with spinning mops, flat mops, all of that. And the track mop concept that Narwal introduced here is genuinely different. Instead of those, spinning pads you see on most competitors, you get this wider track mop system with dual water tanks built right into the robot body. Fresh water continuously rinses the mop through 16 nozzles while it cleans. And the dirty water gets extracted and stored separately. The mop applies real downward pressure against the floor. On hard floors dealing with dried up messes, coffee stains, stuff like that, the original Flow delivered results that honestly embarrassed most of the competition. Now, the AI obstacle avoidance on this machine was also really solid for its generation, using dual RGB cameras to detect and navigate around 200 different objects with impressive precision. Here is where things get interesting. Enter the Narwal Flow 2. This is the upgrade. And Narwal clearly listened to the feedback because they went deep on the AI side of things. Now, the Flow 2 runs what Narwal calls the Narmind Pro autonomous system, and this is where the majority of the meaningful upgrades actually live. They brought in a VLA OmniVision model they call NAR-GPT, which essentially means when the robot encounters something its onboard sensors cannot confidently identify, it can push that image up to an AI model for advanced recognition. The result is what Narwal calls unlimited object recognition, and that is a bold claim, but technology behind it is genuinely quite impressive. Now, the dual cameras now capture 1.5 million data points per second at 1080p with a 136-degree wide-angle view. But what really caught my attention with the Flow 2 is the context awareness. It has pet care mode, which actually lets you locate your pet remotely and cleans pet zones more thoroughly. Baby care mode makes the robot go into an ultra quiet operation near a crib, and it actually recognizes crawling masks to avoid getting them wet. These are not gimmicks. If you have kids or pets, these features solve real daily problems. Now, the AI floor tag feature, where the robot alerts you about your valuables on the floor, is also a genuinely useful addition. On the mopping side, the Flow 2 upgrades the hot water washing temperature and keeps that same track mop architecture that made the original special. The all-in-one base station got updated too, now featuring a reusable dust bag, a washable debris filter, and an AI battery health management system protecting that large 7,000 milliamp hour battery. Now, True Color 3D mapping gives you a far more intuitive visual of your home layout directly in the app. The suction bumps up as well to 30,000 PA. So where does Dreame X60 Ultra fit into all of this? This machine comes from a completely different angle. Dreame built the X60 Ultra around the OmniSight system, featuring dual 120-degree cameras with proactive lighting, which helps it detect stains and obstacles even in dim conditions. Now, the X60 Ultra boasts a 35,000 PA of suction through their Vormax system, which is the highest number in this comparison. And it matters in terms of carpets, but all of these deliver great carpet cleaning. Now, the X60 has this Hyperstream detangling dual brush 2.0 system combined with that suction, and it's pulling deeply embedded debris and hair out of carpet fibers quite impressively well. For mopping, Dreame uses the dual rotating mop system with 15 newtons downforce and 230 RPM thermal mopping for hot water cleaning. Now, the X60 Ultra also features their Mop Extend Robo Swing technology, where a mechanical arm actually extends the mop pad into tight spaces around furniture legs, along baseboards, which addresses edge cleaning in a really clever way. Now, the robot itself sits at an ultra thin 7.95 centimeters, which is noticeably slimmer than both of the other machines, meaning it disappears under, some tighter spaces. But the base station handles 100-degree Celsius self-cleaning for true mop sterilization when it returns there. So how do I actually rank these against each other for different buyers? Now, if mopping performance and AI-driven autonomous intelligence are your top priorities and you want the most future-proof smart home cleaning experience right now, the Narwal Flow 2 is genuinely the strongest package here. The Narmind Pro system represents like a meaningful leap, and the lifestyle modes make it feel like a product designed for people who actually live in real homes with pets and families. Now, if deep carpet cleaning is your main concern and you need the extra suction headroom with the thinnest possible profile, then you might want to consider the X60. You know, it's a competitive option in comparison. You know, that mop extend feature is genuinely cool for reaching spots other robots simply miss. And the original Narwal Flow is still a great product, but honestly at this point, given how close the pricing can get depending on deals, the Flow 2 is the version most people should be considering, especially with these deals going on. Some good deals going on in the link section down in the description below if you want to get in on it now. Like literally, go check them out. But if this video helped you out, you already know what to do. Smash that like button because it genuinely helps the channel grow, and I'll catch you in the next one.